I didn't like missing workouts because I needed that release. I am a mom, a wife, an athlete. So earlier this year, for the umpteenth time, I found myself banged up after trying to pick up the barbell in the gym, and just realized that I was frustrated with dancing the same dance every 3 to 4 months, finding myself in a good flow and then pushing it, and then some little thing derailing me where I'd find I'd have to take some time off from the gym to recuperate and then try to do some rehab and get back into the game. Between my back, my hip, my knee, I would have amputated if I thought it would help me sleep through the night. I haven't missed a day at the gym since I started with the active life, and like I said, it's been 6+ months now. I don't hesitate to pick something up off the floor. Injuries that I had sustained back in high school, or even while I was training for triathlons, or my previous CrossFit injuries, started kind of bubbling to the surface, and one by one, as they came up, I was able to say, okay, we need to address this, and that it got addressed. Instead of getting stronger around the issue, I finally found like I had a coach, a doctor, that was truly addressing what needed to be addressed, both injury-wise, both as me as a person and as an individual and an athlete.